Considerations for digital products, Clickbank and Amazon. If you're planning to sell some type of digital product, there are several online marketplaces where you can list your own product. These sites also provide a wealth of information you can tap into for both finding new ideas and assessing the potential of your current one. Clickbank and Amazon. Clickbank and Amazon are two of the most popular marketplaces for both digital and physical products. Use them to gather information on products similar to yours. If possible, buy and go through the products. Take notes of what you liked as well as any weak areas. You can use this information to improve your own products and services. Read through the reviews, both good and bad. Use the good reviews as a clue to the types of topics people enjoyed, and use the bad reviews to improve your product or service. In many digital marketplaces, you can also see statistics for what is selling well and what isn't. While part of poor performance can be due to a lack of marketing, look for trends in specific types of products. Those are the ones you'll probably want to focus on or avoid. You have reached the end of this series. If you like this series, please support our channel, like, subscribe, share, thank. We appreciate you.